Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's absolutely crucial for network security, firewalls. Whether you're a small business owner or a home user, understanding how firewalls work is essential to safeguarding your digital world. So, let's jump right in. To start, let's picture a network. It could be a small business network or even your home network. Within this network, you've got various devices and services running. Imagine a scenario where you have a server hosting your company's website and also serving as a file server for sensitive documents. This server is at the heart of your network. Now, what's the primary guardian of your network security? The firewall. A firewall is like a digital bouncer that decides who gets in and who stays out. It operates at different layers of the network, but we're going to focus on the transport layer today. This is where most firewalls do their magic. So, how does a firewall work? Think of it as a gatekeeper. It has a set of rules, like a list of do's and don'ts. It can block or allow traffic based on these rules. For instance, a firewall can be configured to allow traffic to port 80, which is commonly used for web traffic. This means anyone can access your company's website. But it can also block access to other ports, keeping your confidential files safe from prying eyes. Firewalls come in different shapes and sizes. They can be standalone network devices, or they can be built into your router. In fact, for many of us, the router at home does double duty as a firewall. Moreover, firewalls can also run on individual devices, such as your computer. Most modern operating systems come with built-in firewall functionality. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need a firewall? Well, it's your first line of defense against all sorts of cyber threats. It shields your network from unauthorized access, malware, and more. In today's interconnected world, where cyber attacks are on the rise, having a robust firewall is non-negotiable. So, there you have it, the essential role of firewalls in network security. Whether you're a business owner or a home user, understanding how to configure and use firewalls can make a world of difference in keeping your digital assets safe. We hope you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech-related content. And as always, stay safe and keep those firewalls strong.